In this video, you'll learn how to fix the Claude Code VS Code extension error. By following these steps, you will verify the installation of the Claude CLI, check your VS Code version, reinstall the Claude extension, and ensure the CLI is correctly set in your system's path. Start by verifying that the Claude command line interface, or CLI, is functioning properly. Open your terminal or command prompt and type Claude-V. If this command returns a version number, it indicates that the CLI is correctly installed. If you encounter an error instead, you will need to reinstall the Claude CLI to resolve the issue. To reinstall the Claude CLI, enter the command pm uninstall-g at /Claude Code in your terminal. This command will remove the existing installation. After the uninstallation completes, proceed with the installation by typing npm install-g at /Claude Code at latest. Wait for the installation process to finish, as this may take a moment depending on your internet speed. Next, it is important to verify that your Visual Studio Code or VS Code version meets the necessary requirements. Type code-v in your terminal to check your current version. Ensure that your version is greater than or equal to 1.90. If your version is outdated, you'll need to upgrade it using the command wingit upgrade Microsoft. VS Code, once the upgrade is complete, restart Visual Studio Code to apply the changes. Now, you will need to reinstall the Claude VS Code extension. Begin by typing code-uninstall extension anthropic-ai.claude, quote, in your terminal. This command will remove the existing extension. After that, install the extension again by entering code-install extension anthropic-ai.claude. Wait until the installation is complete, and then check the list of installed extensions by typing code-list extends, select string Claude. This will confirm whether the Claude extension has been successfully installed. It is also essential to ensure that the Claude CLI is correctly set in your system's path. To do this, type get command Claude in your terminal. If you see a message indicating that the command is not found, you will need to add the npm global folder to your path. Use the command $m path +$m ppd data pf $m path $m pf $m pd data. This will modify your path environment variable to include the necessary directory. Finally, restart both PowerShell and Visual Studio Code to apply all the changes made. This step is crucial to ensure that the new settings take effect and that the Claude CLI functions properly within VS Code.